Amazing Canal Waterfront Home has 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, living room area that is shared with the kitchen and dining space, open floor plan with split bedrooms and drywall throughout. This home is perfect for Florida living the salt life. Golf cart community with no HOA and no CDD required. The kitchen has been updated with wood cabinets and veneer countertops, kitchen walls are finished with wainscoting, and beautiful waterproof laminate floors have just been installed throughout. New floating dock, pavers, and an outdoor shower out back. There is a concrete block storage building where the washer and dryer are located with a convenient 3rd commode and even a 3rd shower hookup, extra refrigerator with icemaker that conveys and plenty of storage room for your tools, workshop, fishing gear, and boating and water accessories. Privacy fence on both sides of the home. Enjoy the newer cypress hand-peeled tiki hut that was built by the Seminoles. Cool off in the sitting pool and relax with a cocktail in your hand. Enjoy the backyard overlooking the 28-foot deep canal, and watch all the wildlife go by such as the ducks, manatees, osprey, dolphins and marine life. Take a spin out to the Gulf of Mexico that is only 8 minutes away at idle speed. Deep water/saltwater canal with an easy boating out with no rocks. You are only minutes to many amenities such as shopping, HCA Hospital and Medical Offices, Sam's Beach Bar, Inn on the Gulf, Get Hooked Restaurant and many more great restaurants. Kayak to nearby Werner-Boyce Salt Springs State Park. The area offers some of the best inshore-offshore fishing, and golfing is just minutes away. Hudson Beach is only a short golf cart or boat ride away with entertainment, 4 marinas, boat rentals, charter fishing, public boat ramp, and a beach for swimming. Nearby Sunwest Park with over a mile of Clearwater Beach quality sand featuring swimming, wakeboarding, beach volleyball and one of Florida's largest splash pads. Enjoy the nearby infamous mermaids at Weeki Wachee State Park. 45 minutes to Tampa International Airport, and 2 hours to Orlando. Your search is over. Come live the Florida lifestyle, and bring your boat and fishing poles.